Hey, and good morning, traders, and welcome to my channel. My name is Doc, for all of you newcomers to my channel, and I talk about crypto and crypto day trading in particular. So if you're new to crypto and you're new to day trading, this is the channel for you. So you should like and subscribe right now, because what we're going to be sharing with you is a lot of beautiful information that is going to make you a lot of money within the cryptocurrency space and within the day trading space. So if that's what you like, stay tuned for more. But for today, what we're going to talk about is the 3 things I wish I knew before I got into day trading. 3 things that I wish I knew before I got into day trading. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. And welcome back. This is Doc here. So we're talking today about 3 things that I wish I knew when I first started day trading. The first thing that I wish I knew was 1, risk management. That is the number 1 thing that I wish I had gotten my brain around in the first stages of me day trading, because the reality is one whereby in the midst of my initial start of trading, I found myself trading heavier lot sizes than I should have traded, and I was risking more of my portfolio than I should have. And the reality is, what that, in terms of the end result, what that caused was simply me blowing 2 accounts in my early career. So risk management is something that I wish I knew in my early days as a trader. And in terms of understanding what the bar should be for you as a trader, in terms of how much you should be risking on every individual trade, personally I would say no more than 2% on every individual trade. And with that type of scenario, week on week, you should be a very profitable trader. That's the first thing that I wish I knew or learnt and imbibed within my mind as a young trader. The second thing that I wish I was more cognizant of or more aware of as a young trader was the type of psychology that I needed. In essence, trading psychology. For one, the mindset that you as a trader have in relation to the market, in relation to money, will determine your overall performance, believe it or not. Another issue is your psychology in terms of how you view yourself and the way you process information. That is another aspect of psychology that you'll come to know. And the most important aspect of psychology that I wish I knew in the early stages of day trading is how to react under stressful situations. A lot of persons say trading isn't stressful, but here it is. If you have a $500,000 trade in the market and you are in drawdown by, say, $100,000, you're in a stressful position, okay? And you shouldn't even be in that type of level of drawdown to begin with. It's hot here in the Bahamas, folks. I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt, if you want a nice, warm, sunny vacation with beautiful beaches, the Bahamas is definitely the place to come to. So okay, the first thing that I wish I knew was risk management. The third thing was trading psychology. And the third thing that I wish that I knew right out the gates and had a clear understanding of is the top-down analysis method. The top-down analysis method. And when I talk about the top-down analysis method, it is merely the way that you as a trader will look at the market from a technical analysis standpoint. You will come into the market looking first at the monthly chart, then the weekly chart, then the daily, the 4-hour, the 1 hour, and so on and so forth. based on the type of trader you are. That particular lesson was something that if I had understood that clearly in the early stages of trading, I would have initially come out of the gates as a very strong trader. Just for this particular video, I want to give you a bonus, and the bonus that I want to give you is this. In terms of the fourth, I want to give you a fourth thing that I learned about when trading the market, and that is market structure and market phase. You have to understand what stage the market is in, whether it is ascending, whether it's descending, whether it's consolidating. You as a trader, you have to be able to understand fully what market structure and market phase is. Otherwise, you're basically going in blind, just as the individual who doesn't do top-down analysis is going in blind. If you do not know the market phase or the market structure at its present point and where it's projected to go, you will find yourself in a disadvantage. So basically, the overall thing that I came to grips with as a young trader in the market, I realized that there are a lot of different things that one can learn in the market. When I say that, there are a lot of different trading strategies out there. For instance, some persons out there are price action traders, some persons are smart money concepts traders, some persons use breakout strategies, and when you come into the trading space, you're going to hear all of these exotic names in terms of the different strategies, like the Quasimodo strategy and all of these type of names that you never heard before. But you as a young trader coming into the space, you have to realize that there is a learning curve, and there are things that you're going to encounter that are going to tax you mentally, tax you emotionally, and you cannot allow yourself to be overwhelmed emotionally in terms of how you approach the market. A calm, centered, balanced mind always wins in terms of how you deal and how you interact with the market. One of the things that I highly recommend as a trader is to have a significant, say, exercise regimen or a meditation regimen, but something that will keep you mentally focused from a physical standpoint and an emotional standpoint, because as a trader you don't want to get lost in one's own emotions. You want to be in a frame of mind where you are able to assess the market from the perspective of clear, clean eyes. So ladies and gentlemen, that is my wrap up for this video on the 4 things that I wish I knew as a trader just starting out in the market. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and just simply stand by for more information. This is your man of business, Doc, saying thank you for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be blessed, be prosperous, be healthy, be wise.